Okay, we just buttoned her all up and just changed the head gasket down in there, changed that green gasket you see there, that was a back killer. Then of course this valve cover gasket, and did a few things, this and that, and here's my baby. And I will have to clear away these tools. We will start it up and see how it goes. Sorry. It's my 1963 Land Rover Series 2A. And oops. I've done all the work on it. Well, with the exception of Andrew, my friend here, who helped me today a lot. Alright, so I'm going to put all this crap out here away. Tools and whatnot. Andrew, you can hold the camera.
Alright.
Just like that. Except without the finger point. And
you're gonna crank it?
In weeks we're gonna crank it up and see if there's an explosion or not.
Alright. Sweet.
Sounds good. Except I have a problem with my
The accelerator?
choke cable.
Okay.
I've got to let it back out.
Like that? Alright.
Well, let's put the hood on and we'll take it for a spin.
You turn this off.
Just push the red button on the screen.
Alright, bye.